Now let's talk about our final type of index, an edge index, which is another form of vertex-centric index. Again, unlike vertex indexes, which are global indexes, edge indexes will be beneficial along the traversor route. Edge indexes are going to be useful when traversing through a specific vertex with a large number of incident edges. You'll have to know the name of the edge label, as well as have a property with specific values or ranges of values. Again, edge indexes are implemented using a specialized version of materialized views within Apache Cassandra. Let's take a look at some example queries that would take advantage of an edge index. For example, you can find how many users rated a particular movie with a known rating, or you can find movies rated above a certain threshold by a given user ID. Let's look at how to create the edge index as well as use it. Here we see the index to users by rating. So we can see that a vertex-centric index is specific to a vertex, in this case, movie. We call it to users by rating, and we index the in edges to movie by rating. Let's take a look at how we can do this with movie M267. Let's get a count of the users who rated this film with a rating of 8. Next, let's find the movies rated by a particular user with a rating over 7. First, let's take a look at how to create the schema for this index. We start with a vertex label user. We add an index and name it to movies by rating. Let's take a look at the schema creation code for edge indexes. The index is based on the user vertex, and we index the outgoing edges of type rated by its rating property. Now let's take a look at how we can use the index to find movies that user U1 rated with a rating over 7. We can take a look at what we've created with a general schema.describe, or list the schema information specifically by the movie vertex label. And like our other indexes, we can drop each of these edge indexes as a final step. Now that we've covered edge indexes, let's go back to our notebook and go through an exercise.